What if I told you that there's a way to earn a steady income with just your laptop and a few clicks, no special skills, no huge upfront investment? Sound too good to be true? Stick with me because today I'm going to reveal the simplest AI side hustle to generate income in 2024 and beyond. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started, even if you're a total beginner. Oh, and make sure to stay until the very end for a pro tip that could easily double your income potential. AI is reshaping the world as we know it. From automating tasks to creating stunning designs, it's no longer a tool reserved for tech experts. The best part? You don't need to be a coder or spend years learning complex systems to cash in on this revolution. Today, I'll walk you through one of the easiest, most beginner-friendly AI side hustles that you can start right now. Whether you're looking to make extra cash on the side or build a full-time business, this opportunity is too good to ignore. So, what is this side hustle? It's leveraging AI tools to create and sell digital products. Let me explain. Digital products, things like ebooks, templates, online courses, and printables are in high demand. And with AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Midjourney, creating these products has never been easier. No design skills, no problem. No writing experience, AI's got your back. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, pick your niche. Think about a topic you're passionate about or something trending in 2024 like fitness planners, business templates, or AI tutorials. Research what's selling well on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even Amazon Get. Use free tools like Google Trends or Ubersuggest to confirm there's demand for your idea. Step 2, create your product with AI. Let's say you want to create a digital planner. Use Canva's AI design features to craft a stunning, professional-looking planner in minutes. Or, if you're writing an ebook, let ChatGPT help you structure, write, and edit the content. These tools save you hours of work while delivering top-notch quality. Step 3, start selling. Once your product is ready, list it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Use free marketing strategies like social media posts, Pinterest pins, or TikTok videos to promote your product. The beauty of digital products. Once they are created, they can be sold over and over again, generating passive income with little ongoing effort. And here's the kicker, many people are already making thousands of dollars a month doing this. All it takes is consistency, creativity, and a willingness to learn as you go. But here's the million-dollar question. How do you make your product stand out? How do you ensure buyers choose your template, ebook, or planner over someone else's? That's where my secret strategy comes in. It's a simple tweak you can make today that will instantly elevate your product's appeal and boost your sales. I'll reveal that secret in just a moment. But first, let me ask you, what would an extra $500, $1,000, or even $5,000 a month mean for you? A dream vacation? Paying off debt? Or maybe finally quitting your 9 to 5 job? That dream is closer than you think, and this side hustle could be your ticket to achieving it. Now, here's that pro tip I promised: create bundles instead of single products. For example, instead of selling just one template, offer a pack of 5. Bundles not only add more value for your customers, but also let you charge a higher price, often doubling or even tripling your income per sale. So, what are you waiting for? If you're ready to dive into the world of AI-powered side hustles, take action today. Start by brainstorming your niche and exploring tools like ChatGPT and Canva. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and comment below if you're excited to try this. I'll be sharing even more tips and strategies in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Remember, the simplest side hustle could be the one that changes your life. And if you're still unsure or feel like this might be overwhelming, let me remind you, every expert was once a beginner. The tools available today are designed to make this process simple and beginner friendly. You don't need a huge budget, a fancy degree, or endless hours to succeed. What you need is just one step in the right direction. And guess what? Watching this video is that first step. Now imagine this: a month from now, you've listed your first product. A few weeks after that, your phone pings with your first sale, then another. Before you know it, you're building a steady stream of passive income, all because you decided to give this a shot. How amazing would that feel? So start small, start messy if you have to, but just start. If you want a detailed tutorial on setting up your first AI-powered digital product, let me know in the comments and I'll create a step-by-step guide just for you. And remember, success isn't about being perfect, it's about taking action. Thanks so much for spending your time with me today. If this video inspired you or gave you value, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I've got so much more to share about AI, side hustles, and building your dream income in 2024 and beyond. See you in the next video where your journey to financial freedom continues. Take care. This is Money Goals Mastery, where we turn simple ideas into powerful income streams. Let's make 2024 your breakthrough year. Bye for now.